Hello. I am making a simple shepherd's pie for dinner, topped with mashed potatoes and made with fresh and frozen vegetables, ground beef, and gravy. I have my ingredients ready to go. There are some frozen peas and corn, fresh sliced carrots, and some chopped onion and garlic. In this bowl is the ground beef that was added to a sautéed onion and cooked together in a cast iron skillet. When the beef was cooked through, I drained off the fat. Now, in go the prepared vegetables. These will be combined together. I then season everything with salt and pepper. I give everything a good toss to ensure that the ingredients are combined well. I get my loaf baking dish that has been sprayed with vegetable oil. Everything then goes into the baking dish. I evenly spread and level out the ingredients in the dish. I set the dish in the refrigerator and then peeled and chopped 3 small white potatoes. These were boiled in water in a saucepan until soft in the center. I drained off the water and mashed the potatoes with a tablespoon of butter and a half cup of milk. I then covered the ingredients with the mashed potatoes, topped the dish with aluminum foil, and returned it to the refrigerator. When I was ready to bake the shepherd's pie, I placed it on the counter. You can see that I made 2 square holes through the potatoes ahead of time. Then, I added some powdered gravy mix that was combined with a cup of water. Adding the gravy mix in this way is to create a delicious gravy throughout the ingredients as they bake in their natural juices. Now I seal up the holes with a fork. I drizzle some olive oil over the mashed potatoes. Then, I will cover the dish with aluminum foil. The shepherd's pie will bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until it reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees. This is ready to come out of the oven and to be plated. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.